Okay, so hello and welcome to the Samsters 007. Today we have Freddie. Freddie is the cat, and he's just going bizarre today.
I think he's had too much dreamies. Dreamies.
Give us an interview. Freddie, what is your favourite food? Dreamies. Sorry. He's a good cat. He has his own broom. He has his own. He'll run again. When Josh comes, we're gonna do a bit of videoing, but you're not gonna.
No.
It's on Monday, okay?
So I'm gonna be in it.
So hello.
So I am gonna be in it with you, please.
Tagging the screen. We don't actually have him, but he comes around. Slow goon. Watch, Lacey. Okay, watch. You like this groom, don't you? Oh no. Yes, he does. He's just doing it.
Well, it's my.
He doesn't like stroking when he's. We don't actually own him, but we
Kind of
give
comes
him,
with an idiot.
we give him water and.
Sam, I'm gonna be on
every day.
here on Monday, okay? With you, kind of.
No, make you be in the background.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be on it. I'm not really gonna be camera.
No.
But I am gonna be camera, but not very much.
No. So, thanks. That's Freddie the cat.
And this is me, Robin.
Freddie the cat. It's all about Freddie the cat. So, this is your little
It's the
tribute.
Samsons, isn't it? Sam's
I
the
bet your
Samsons.
owner won't like you on YouTube, but sorry. Put this if it's your.
Oh, there's a picture. Oh, no, I don't know what
Let's watch him drink. No, you don't want to drink, do you? So,
You don't like to drink and watch it.
say goodbye, Freddie. Say goodbye. No, you've said goodbye loads of times. So, that's the thing. So, thanks. That's my marble table.
So this is me.
Bye-bye. Oh, where is it?